Hey everyone! Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Perplexity AI and explore how this cutting-edge technology works. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that provides concise, informative answers to your questions by searching the web in real time. Let's get started. What is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is a unique blend of a traditional search engine and an AI chatbot. It uses advanced language models like GPT-4 and Claude to understand the context and nuances of your queries. Unlike regular search engines that provide a list of links, Perplexity AI generates a clear, concise summary of the most relevant information, with inline citations to the original sources. This makes it easier to find what you're looking for without having to sift through pages of results. How Perplexity AI works. Perplexity AI's search process consists of 4 key steps. 1. Understanding your question. When you ask Perplexity a question, its sophisticated AI interprets the context and intent behind your query, ensuring it knows exactly what you're asking. 2. Searching the web. Perplexity then scours the internet, gathering information from authoritative sources like articles, websites, and journals. It uses its advanced language models to identify the most relevant and up-to-date information to answer your question. 3. Summarizing information. Once Perplexity has collected the necessary information, it compiles the key insights into a clear, concise summary. The answer is delivered in a conversational tone, making it easy to understand. 4. Citing sources. Each answer provided by Perplexity includes numbered footnotes that link back to the original sources. This allows you to easily verify the information or explore further if needed. Quick search versus pro search. Perplexity offers 2 main search modes. Quick search, designed for fast, straightforward answers. It provides immediate responses by quickly summarizing relevant information from indexed sources. Pro search goes deeper into the specifics of your question. It may ask follow-up questions to refine the search and deliver more tailored responses. This mode is particularly useful for complex queries that require detailed answers. Free users can enjoy up to 5 pro searches per day, while subscribers have access to up to 600 pro searches daily. In summary, Perplexity AI is a game-changing technology that makes it easier than ever to find the information you need. By combining the power of AI with the vast resources of the internet, Perplexity provides accurate, up-to-date answers to your questions in a clear, concise format. Give it a try and experience the future of search.